Hello. Uh, Good morning, my dear students and my friends. You are most welcome in our channel GNG Chemistry. On this channel, we are especially preparing for the three subject. And it means three exams for the geologist, NET, and GATE. Okay. So if you are preparing for the CSIR NET, IIT GATE, and the geoscientist, we are covering all these three competition level examination because the syllabus is about same. Okay, so we will discuss all the topics and one by one. First of all, we take one topic, that is the periodicity. It is present. This topic is in both in the CSIR net as well as in the IIT GATE and geologist. Okay, so first of all, we start the periodicity. Periodicity, this is the chapter number 1, or we can say simply topic number 1, right? So what is the periodicity? Periodicity means the properties of elements. Okay, we explain here what the periodicity. The periodicity, how can we define it? The properties of elements, the properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers, are periodic functions of their atomic numbers, periodic functions of their atomic numbers, okay. So this is the periodicity in detail. If we want to discuss in detail the periodicity, that means simply we can say that the repetition of elements with similar properties. Okay, the repetition of elements, the repetition of elements with similar properties, the repetition of elements with similar properties, elements with similar properties, after certain regular intervals, after certain regular intervals, after certain regular intervals. Okay, so that means there is a repetition. This table just arranged by the Henry Moseley, and you know that before this there are many tables, many periodic tables given by the scientists, like the Dobereiner first one, and then Newland, Mendeleev, and Henry Moseley. Okay, so right now the modern periodic table, that is the prepared by the Henry Moseley. So we are using nowadays that the table of the Henry Moseley. Okay, so now there are how the repetition of elements and repetition of properties occur. Elements are basically arranged in the increasing order of their atomic numbers. Periodicity means periodicity, that is the elements are arranged according to their atomic numbers, increasing order of their atomic numbers. Repetition of properties, after the repetition of properties after 2, 8, 2, 8, 18, and 32. Okay, elements. So after the 2 and 8 elements, after 18 elements, after 32 elements, there is a repetition of the properties, right? So they are the some special numbers in the periodic table, and these numbers 2, 8, 18, 32, they number are also known as the magic number. Okay, so you can also keep in your mind, these numbers are also known as the magic numbers. 2, 8, 18, and 32 known as the magic numbers. Now let's Mendeleev's periodic law. Discuss the Mendeleev's periodic law. Mendeleev's periodic law. Mendeleev's periodic law. So what is Mendeleev's periodic law? Mendeleev's periodic law, basically it is defined as the physical and chemical properties of elements, the physical and chemical properties of elements, physical and chemical properties of element, physical and chemical properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic weight, are periodic function, are periodic function of their atomic weight, of their atomic weight, atomic weight. Okay, so according to Mendeleev, the elements are arranged according to their increasing atomic masses, right? So this is the atomic weight. This table, Mendeleev's periodic table, also depend on the atomic weight. There is some limitations, okay, or the some, we can say, the drawbacks, limitations of Mendeleev's periodic tables. Limitations, simply we can also say that the anomalies, right? Limitations or anomalies, it is also known as the anomalies, limitations or anomalies. So what are the Mendeleev's limitations? So Mendeleev's limitations, limitation number first, okay. Actually, Mendeleev's periodic table is very useful in that time, but it also have some limitations. Limitation number first, the position of isotope could not be explained. The position of isotope, the position of isotope could not be explained. Isotope could not be explained. Could not be explained, right? Not be explained. As Mendeleev explained the periodic table according to their atomic mass, but he unable to explain the position of isotopes. You know, the isotopes have the different masses. So suppose that the chlorine, right? Chlorine had two isotopes, Cl35 and the Cl37. So if he arrange according to their atomic mass, so these two isotopes should occupy a different slot, but he put these isotopes in the single slot but arranged according to atomic number. So this is the limitation, this is the drawback, okay. And the second point is that wrong order of atomic masses, a wrong order of atomic masses, wrong order of atomic, wrong order of atomic masses of some elements, of some elements could not be explained, could not be explained, could not be explained, right? It means there is a wrong order, he put some elements in the wrong order, okay. For example, cobalt and nickel, cobalt and nickel. Cobalt has mass number 58.9, mass number of cobalt is 58.9, and the mass number of nickel is 58.7, right? 58.7. So the nickel should become first and then cobalt, but in his table he put the cobalt first and then nickel. So this is right according to modern periodic table, but according to him, actually he arranged according to the atomic mass. So this element nickel comes should become first. So this is also the limitation, right? And there is also a third limitation, that the he could not arrange and he could not assign the proper position of the hydrogen, okay. So this is the limitation of the Mendeleev periodic table. Now Moseley, we are discussing about the Moseley's periodic table, okay.